YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day, man. It's just crazy, man. After a week of having this car, and all the things that I have done to it so far, man, it's just a blessing, man. I am literally enjoying this car so much, like so much. Nobody can tell me shit. You know what I'm saying? I work hard, I grind hard. You know what I'm saying? I play harder. You know what I'm saying? It's just a blessing for me to be in something I always wanted. I mean, honestly, I got two of the cars that I really wanted, and I got them. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessing. And it's just a dream come true. I ain't gonna lie, because it's crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody have a dream car. A dream car don't necessarily mean it's a supercar or a hypercar. You know what I'm saying? Like cars that's in the multi-millions or cars in the high 100,000s and shit. Like a dream car is just something that you have a passion about and that you want to just have in your possession. Something that you always wanted. You know what I'm saying? That's what's really considered a dream car. People think dream cars are Bugatti or Lamborghini, like shit. I mean, of course, those are dream cars, but at the same time, I have dream cars of all different statures and all different levels of cars. You know what I'm saying? And for me to have two of them, you know what I'm saying? I have the Integra. I wanted that to be like more of a dream daily car, but then at the same time project car. I wanted a 370Z, but I love Z's in general, man. Z's are amazing cars, man. And for me to be able to have both of the two cars that I truly want, no car notes, paid off, that's a fucking blessing, man. And I'm so excited and I'm so happy for myself, because I fucking grind for what I want, and whatever I want to do, whatever I want to be, whatever I want to own, or whatever the fuck it is that I have a possession or have a hunger for, I go get it. I manifest my shit. I speak everything to existence. You guys been watching me, especially the OG subscribers that's been subscribed to the channel since day one. Y'all see I always speak on shit and it comes true. You know what I'm saying? Some people hate that it comes true, but it is what it is. And I ain't stopping who I am for nobody. This is me, you know what I'm saying? And I love what I do. I'm a different individual, as you guys can tell by my cars. I don't do the same typical shit everybody else do that got the same car. I'm different, and that's just me. And it's like, you can like it or you can hate it. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to inspire those in my situation, those come from my situation, to look like you can do what the fuck it is that you want to do. If it's a Lamborghini you want to go get it. If it's a 350Z you want, go get it. If it's an Integra you want, go get it. If it's a Honda, whatever it is that you want and you desire and you think about all the time, you watch videos all the time, you try to go out there and just imagine yourself driving, imagine yourself having it in your garage, go out there and get it. You know what I'm saying? Go out there and get it. Like for me, this is a car that I've always wanted. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I got two cars I always wanted. People that have been following me for a minute, I always used to talk about a Prelude. I always talked about a Prelude, or I always talk about Integra. I said I want to have as a dream car. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I mean for a project car and stuff, and for me, I got that. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessing. It's a blessing from God. I'm just so happy how everything is just working out for me, man. And this is just the beginning, you know what I'm saying? So, but the main goal, man, now the next goal, I'm gonna do whatever I gotta do. I got two cars, I'm gonna work on them, do my thing. I'm still gonna build my Integra. I ain't stopped that one. It's a lot of stuff that's coming. You think I'm doing fast shit with this car, just imagine what I'm about to do to the Integra as well. But the goal is to fix these cars up, have fun with them. But then the next purchase, and that's why I moved calculated, I wanted to have no car notes. I wanted cars, well, at least one of these two cars where I had no car note, and I'm enjoying myself through however long I gotta enjoy myself. And then the next car I get is gonna be one of my big dream cars, you know what I'm saying? Either an NSX or a GTR. I was, you know, so those gonna be my main thing, and that's the main thing I'm gonna do, and that's the main things I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna work my ass off. I'm gonna bust my ass off this YouTube shit, my company, Immortal Society, my website, all this stuff. I'm gonna make this shit come true. I'm gonna speak it to existence. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. A lot of people don't believe me. A lot of people didn't believe me about a lot of this shit I do. And guess what? Within a certain amount of time, I had different cars. You know what I'm saying? So it's a blessing. And I work hard, and can't nobody tell me shit. And that's my favorite quote. Can't nobody tell me shit, because they wasn't doing shit for me when I was doing my thing. Nobody believed in my vision. So now you're going to see me manifest everything that I want. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, the next car that I'm going to just say, fuck it. I'm going to aim for it. I'm going to save up. I'm going to stack up. I'm going to do everything I got to do. GTR or NSX, and it's going to come through. It's going to come through. You hearing it now. So all this shit is a blessing, man, but it's a business at the same time. YouTube is a business, you know what I'm saying? It's all about building a brand. It's all about being yourself, and it's all about enjoying your wealth, man. And your wealth, you don't gotta have you don't have to have money to have wealth, man. Believe in yourself and know what you're worth. That's your wealth right there. And yeah, I'm just gonna manifest every single thing that I want. But like I said, the next car that I'm about to aim for, fuck everything else, is either a GTR or NSX. I'm gonna make it happen. I don't know when it's gonna happen. I pray that happen by the end of this year. But the way this coronavirus is being a motherfucker, it's gonna happen some point in my life. It's gonna happen, and I'm gonna document the fuck out of it, and it's gonna go from there. And then I'm just gonna make more of the haters salty, because they wish for my downfall. But guess what? Sorry, ain't shit about to change. You know what I'm saying? So, man, y'all just go out there and follow your dreams, man. I'm over here at grab some shit at AutoZone, about to do something with my louvers to make it pop out just a little bit more better. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for this. And let me get my card. Let me open this goddamn thing, man. This thing pissing me off sometimes. So let me go grab what I gotta get out of the AutoZone. We're gonna make this car a little bit more poppy, and we're gonna go from there, y'all. So like I said, man, just follow your dreams, man. I hope I can inspire whoever out there that's trying to do something with them lives and trying to be something, man, and build a brand and be who they are, man. And started with no money, you know what I'm saying? Started from a struggle. So that's what I represent, and that's what I'm about to do. Continue doing me, man. Continue doing me. I find out this t-shirt works better than the damn mask. No earrings coming in here, baby. So let me put this shit on, and I'm about to get my ass out the car. All right, y'all. So I finally just decided to get out the house, chill in the sun for a minute. About to take some photos, man. I just want to show you guys the car. So what I did was, if you guys seen in my last video, what I did to the louvers was cool. But today, I went to go get some pinstripes and just make it flare up a little bit better than what it was. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now. So let's go. So now, if you look at the back of the louvers, I got the white pinstripes that makes it pop even more. Oh my gosh, man. Check that out. So I made the white pinstripes on the back of the louvers, so kind of give it more that color contrast, man, because the white car goes perfectly. Oh my gosh, man, that shit looks so fucking good. So a lot of you guys been asking me about tinting the windows. Basically, I'm holding off on that until I get my doors repaired. I gotta get the have to get the mount, gotta get the power motor for the window, especially for the driver's side, but I'm going to get for both, so that way I can raise the windows up, and then the door will be able to shut with the original panel on the driver's side, because right now I still have the panel off. But once I get that done, then most likely going to go limo tint on the windows, even probably tint out the front window. So let me know what y'all think, if I should tint out the front window. Also, I did put on the new extra one I had, because since I went low, the first day I went low, one of them ripped off on the road. So thank God they gave me 9 instead of 8, because that one came handy. But right now I'm just chilling, man, looking at the car, embracing it. Let me show you guys the bumper again. I love the splitter rods on it, man. It's just making the car even pop a little bit more. But yeah, it's looking good, man. Damn, I love this car. So I'm about to end this video here, man. I want to thank every one of you guys right now for showing me love, showing me support. I truly appreciate everybody, man. I hope everybody out there chasing their dreams, man. And just make sure that you follow your dream and do whatever it is that you want at this time of life, man. This should show you that it's all about doing whatever you need to, because life is very short, man. And for me, I got my second dream car, which is a blessing, man. And now it's time to go hard. It's time to get that supercar. And right now, the top two is the NSX and GTR, but GTR is probably number one. You know what I'm saying? To keep it real, I'm not gonna lie. Since I own this Nissan, this is my first Nissan ever I own, I'm more convinced. I'm down there more. Oh, that was a nice Z01. But anyways, I'm more convinced though. I think I love Nissan. I think Nissan is my favorite JDM. Holy shit. God damn. Anyways, but I'm more convinced though, and Nissan is my favorite by far. Favorite cars overall as far as JDM goes. I gotta love Nissan, man. It's just so much power. It's like a real muscle car, but in Japanese. But I'm loving it, man. And I truly appreciate everybody that's showing support. All you guys that's been watching my videos, leaving massive comments. I appreciate every one of you guys. I'm gonna try to do my best to give you guys daily videos. Sometimes it ain't gonna be nothing to talk about, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try my best to get some content. I'm gonna try to do some racing. I'm gonna try to do all different type of things that keep the interest on this channel, and just keep building my cars. It's a lot more I gotta do. I'm planning on getting a steering wheel, planning on getting race seats, planning on getting what else? I'm planning on getting a wide body. That's another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about that I'm going to be doing very soon. About to be going wide body, and then also we're going to be doing wide body, new steering wheel. I want to get carbon fiber steering wheel with the gauges and everything on it. I'm going to get some race seats. I'm planning on doing a cage because my car is gutted out. In the back there's nothing but metal, so I'm planning on just getting a roll cage in the back of the car. And so much more is coming, like so much more. I was trying to hold off on this video because there was another thing coming in the mail today, but it's not coming till later on. But I want to drop this video right now. And man, I'm just in love with this car, man. Hard work pays off. That's all I can say, man. And God is good and God is great. It's still a trip to me to have this car, man. Like, it's just fucking blessing, man. And I have not, in the way I built the car so far within a week of having the car, I'm all about just making it different, but making it nice. And I'm super static. I'm super low. I cannot go any lower than what it is right now. So I'm enjoying it, man. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay tuned for what's tomorrow. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys share your channel, because the goal right now, man, my next goal for my channel is to reach 10,000 subscribers. Right now, the channel is actually flourishing. We're getting so many subscribers, so I appreciate every one of you guys clicking that subscribe. But like I said, make sure you guys share every video with the Z to whoever you know, like Z's, or whoever's a VQ member, whoever, like Nissan, whoever it is, man. Please share these videos. Let's get these subscribers, man. We got to get to 10K, man. I'm praying that we can get to 10K very soon, because, man, that would just help the channel, and that would just get my chances even closer to getting my dream car, supercar, GTR, NSX. It's going down, man. So stay tuned for the next video. Hope you guys have a nice day. We are out.